Trustoo Shopify tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Trustoo in Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a comprehensive e-commerce platform designed to help entrepreneurs and businesses of all sizes establish and grow their online presence, in which it offers a range of features and tools to create professional storefront, manage sales, and market products effectively. And the platform includes customizable themes, which can be previewed before activation, and a theme editor that allows for detailed customization of a layout style and content. Additionally, Shopify provides advanced features such as dynamic checkout buttons, image editing, and integration with Google Analytics for detailed tracking and reporting. And now, to sign in on this platform, you could also click Start Free Trial button or the Login button if you already have an account on Shopify. After signing in, you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you on this left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating and also how you can set up your account on Shopify. But to start installing the Trustoo, just proceed on this left side panel and kindly click this Add Apps button right here. And upon clicking on it, on this pop-up window, just scroll down until you find Shopify App Store. By clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here on the search bar, kindly enter the word Trustoo. And upon clicking on the search result, below here it will show you all the result of the application. Then proceed by clicking this application right here. By simply clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed on this page, and from here it will show you the overview about Trustoo, including the features it offers. And as you can see here, Trustoo Product Review app makes it easy for brands to collect image and videos, build social proof. And below are some of the benefits and features it offers. And now to proceed, just click the Install button below here, in which upon clicking on Install button, you'll be able to be directed on the next tab. Then from here, just proceed by clicking Install button again in order to proceed. And after installing the Trustoo IO reviews, we'll now be able to be directed on this page. And from here, just fill out all of the required information, including to enter or select your primary languages. Then just click the Next Step button below here to proceed. And upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do from here is to simply select what type of business are you operating. Let's say I'm going to enter here as a retailer and click Done, get 10% discount. And now for the step 3, from here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enable this Trustoo application in our online store. And to do that, just click Go to Enable button right here. And upon clicking on it, we'll now be able to be directed on our online store theme. And from here, it will show you in this left side panel, this Trustoo product review has now been turned on. And now to save the changes, just click the Save button on the top right corner. And as you can see, the changes has now been saved. Going back in here, we'll now be able to be directed on this dashboard of Trustoo IO reviews. And as you can see under Setup Guide, it will show us that the next thing that we need to do is to customize our reviews widget. But below here, you'll now be able to see some other data, including the analytics of average, star rating, page view, reviews collected, retention revenue, add to cart, and many more. And also below, it will show us other recommended application that we can also try or integrate on our Trustoo IO reviews application. Now going back in here to start customizing our reviews widget, just click this Customize button. And after that, from here under Review widget, you'll now be able to customize, including the layout, the head, to make it streamlined, regular, and it will show you the effect of it on the right side panel in here, in which it is basically what our customer will see when they try to click for our review. And after selecting, we can now proceed to display settings, in which from here we could also navigate to hide the review date or enter the review depending on the format that we prefer, and also include the name with the first name and last initial, and also the country flag if you want to, but I'm going to hide this one, and also including this verified badge that we could also customize. And if we scroll down below here, we could also change or customize pagination, rating filter, default sort by, write a review button, and even change or customize the review font size, the button border radius, and many more. And aside from that, we could also change the color of the star or rating in our feedback. So as you can see, I've now changed to this one right here. And it will show you that the changes for the star color has now been changed. Aside from that, below here, we could also change our language or custom our language text. But if you're not done customizing our review widget, we can now proceed by saving or clicking the save button on the top right corner. And after successfully saving the review widget, we can now proceed also by clicking the reviews option on the left side panel, in which this purpose is to enhance customer trust by displaying product reviews in visually appealing widgets. And this feature allows merchants to automatically gather reviews from customers, including images and videos, and display them in a way that fosters trust and facilitates informed purchase decisions. Moving on, we could also navigate here this Q&A option, in which we will be able to see here all of the questions from our customer or their concerns regarding to our product or to our online store. Now under this orders option right here, it will show us all of the orders from customers, including all awaiting, scheduled, sent, opened, reviewed, and also cancelled. And we could also import orders by clicking this import orders button on the top right corner. And from here, all we need to do is to simply upload a file such as those XL, SX, file template. And after that, we can now proceed by importing the orders. Or alternatively, we could also add orders by clicking send manually button on the top right corner. And from here, to send a manual request, just fill out all of the required information, including the email address, customer name, email subject, then proceed by selecting the product button below here to proceed. So that is just basically what you can do under orders. Now under import reviews, the primary function of this is to enhance customer trust by displaying product reviews from various sources such as Aliexpress and Amazon in a visually appealing manner. So as you can see from here, we could also input a review via file or on Aliexpress and Amazon, in which this feature allows merchants to automatically gather reviews with images and videos from their customers, which can be displayed in a customizable widgets to foster trust and facilitate more informed purchase decision. Now moving on, we could also navigate on the left side panel the settings option, in which through the settings option, users can customize our review forms, including the fields and layouts, to match their store's branding and provide seamless experience for customers. We could also add here a discount if we want to, by simply customizing the percentage off or the kind of discount type, amount, and other details in here. We could also navigate here the review request link, product for review request, to exclude a specific product that we want in a review request. And also the notifications icon, we can customize our notifications such as new reviews notifications, question answer notifications, and many more. And also these product groups that we could also help integrating some other application. In our Trustoo, we have here Tiny, IMG SEO, another application or platform in here. While under manage new reviews, from here you can auto-publish reviews such as 5-star reviews, 4-star and up, all reviews, or even disable it. And now for the plan that offered by Trustoo, by clicking this plan option. From here it will show us all of the plan that offered by Trustoo. We have here a starter, basic, and growth plan. And below it will show you the corresponding prices and list of benefits it included on each plan. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Trustoo in Shopify. Thank you.